Choosing an adapter for the spray gun of your pressure washer um, requires visual inspection and due diligence in order to save yourself time, quality, and cost. So I've disconnected the spray one from the Greenworks um, spray gun in this instance. And you see the quarter connect from the spray one, that's where it goes into. So in place of the spray wand, would be replacing that with an adapter. Now the quarter-inch foam connector adapter, it's quite similar to the quarter-inch spray wand. See, they're quite similar, and they go in the same place, but they are not exactly the same. So this is where due diligence is required. And when we measure from the tip, we've got the Bosch um, adapter. From the tip, it's about 1 centimeter. And when we measure the quarter-inch tip for the spray one is about 1.8 centimeter. And when you measure from the locked keys, the Bosch is about 2.1 centimeter, whereas the spray ones, the quarter-inch locked key is about roughly 2.6 centimeters. So that tells me straight off that the Bosch would have difficulties in keying into the spray gun of the Greenworks. So this Bosch quarter-inch Connect may be compatible with maybe Ratchet, Husky, Bosch, Ryobi, Homelight, Power Clean, Plusar, and Power Washer, but it definitely isn't compatible with Greenworks. The spray wand and the Bosch may have the same diameter. Here they may have the same diameter, but the key slot are not the same in the varying length, so you need to be careful, and I'll show you what adapter to get for the Greenworks. So they have both got an outside diameter of 1.1 centimeters, so that's fine, but they vary in the key slots. Okay, so the Bosch adapter should key in and fit into the slot easily, okay, by sticking it in and rotating it clockwise. So now we will take the spray wand out and try to fit in the Bosch, and you'd see what I mean. So I'm expecting water to gush out from the spray gun into the Bosch adapter and into the detergent tank. So I'll fit in the Bosch now, and you should see it slots in, but it doesn't key in, because it's not lengthy enough, it's not long enough to push the spring down. That's on the inside of the spray gun nozzle. See, there's a spring on the inside of the spray gun, and the quarter-inch tip is not long enough to push the spring down. So we need a different type of adapter. Exactly, it should be similar, but the quarter-inch tip should be longer. This would have been the perfect adapter because the quarter-inch quick connect, from the foam cannon goes onto the other side. But the only issue I have with the Bosch adapter is that the quarter-inch tip is not long enough. And so if you want to slide the quarter-inch tip, you need to push down this lever, okay, before you slide in the quarter-inch quick connect, and it should get in relatively easily, okay? And that's how to connect it as opposed to forcing it through. So despite the fact that it fits to the foam cannon, it doesn't fit into the spray gun, and that's where we have our issue, and that's why we need a different adapter. And that's why it's important to measure. The Bosch adapter is not suited for the Greenworks. So the Neil Fisk Jenny Series Electric Pressure Washer Adapter, the quarter-inch, is more suited, for the Greenworks. The Neil Fisk, which is what I've got here. So you can see I've slotted that in, and it should sit into the spray gun for the Greenworks. And also the other side, if I pull down the blue knob, it should fit to the quarter-inch quick connect of the Tool Daily foam cannon. So we've just about customized the foam cannon. This isn't the Greenworks foam cannon, this is the Tool Daily foam cannon.